Let's make jalapeno cream cheese stuffed chicken breast. Start by slicing a pocket into your chicken breast. Make sure the bottom half is thick enough to hold onto the cream cheese. Season with garlic powder, paprika, cayenne, black pepper, salt, and a little bit of oil. Massage that in, and then for the filling, combine cream cheese, jalapeno, dill, and lime juice. Mix it all together, and a little hack, put it in a Ziploc bag, and then you have this piping bag situation. Pump it into your chicken breast pocket, close it shut, and then sear it in a high heat pan on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Add some lime juice, cover and cook on low for 8 to 10 minutes. Transfer to a cutting board, and then cut into pieces. Add some of the oozing cream cheese on top and enjoy.